What's the meaning of cooperatively? Cooperatively. Cooperatively.
Cooperatively. Cooperatively. Cooperatively refers to a manner of working together in a collaborative and mutually supportive way towards a common goal. It involves members of a group contributing their unique skills, knowledge, and resources towards achieving a shared objective, with a focus on sharing the workload and making decisions collectively. When individuals or organizations work cooperatively, they can achieve outcomes that would be difficult or impossible to achieve alone. This approach fosters a sense of inclusivity and unity, encouraging greater trust, communication, and cooperation between individuals and groups, leading to more successful outcomes for all involved parties.